Planning a move from Columbia to Jefferson City? It's a short, in-state relocation, but choosing the right movers and understanding the full cost can make moving day much easier. A Columbia to Jefferson City move typically costs around $500 to $1,500. Your actual estimate will depend on how much you're moving and the level of service you choose. The biggest pricing factors include the volume of your belongings, labor time, stairs, truck access, packing assistance, furniture disassembly, and whether temporary storage is needed. Because Columbia and Jefferson City are relatively close, most household moves can be handled in one day. That usually means loading, transportation, and unloading without a long delivery window. A small apartment may only need loading and transportation. A larger household, busy family, or office relocation may benefit from full-service packing, careful equipment handling, or storage support. When comparing Missouri movers, ask what each estimate includes. Check whether labor, transportation, equipment, packing materials, and possible access charges are clearly listed. The lowest quote isn't always the best option. Look for professional movers with proper insurance, strong customer feedback, transparent pricing, and experience with Missouri intrastate moves. Moving from Columbia to Jefferson City? Visit 3movers.com to compare moving options, request a free estimate, and plan your Missouri move with confidence.